Morning, children. Yesterday we stopped our class here. Now, oxides are the oxides of metals are acidic or basic in nature. We discussed about that, and in that I just gave for you an example. Magnesium. Did you understand that one? Magnesium. Ribbon we took it and we just burned that one. Magnesium reacted with the oxygen and it gave magnesium oxide, and magnesium oxide when treated with water it gave magnesium hydroxide. Then this magnesium hydroxide, when we use the litmus papers, we found that the red litmus paper changed to blue, showing that it is a base. Today a small, I'll tell you a magic you can do at home. Try this one. We will see the magicians, the jugglers, and chatabad chestaru. They will threaten us, frighten us in such a way that when they cut a lemon, red color blood comes out from that. Or if they are taking any fruits, if they break that one, we can see it shows that something red it will be. So we will be feared. They will make us to fear that something is there, superstitious things are going on, or you are having some health problem, some problems are there in your house. Like this they will do. Nothing. That sort of things are only not there. What is the magic behind this one? They are just frightening us. You can do with your small children. You can play a game with your brothers, means not the elder one. To the younger ones you can do. Elder ones means they will give you nicely. So elder ones, younger ones you can do, and you can enjoy this one. For this, what are the things necessary? First one is lemon, knife, and hibiscus solution. So what we have to do means hibiscus. Hibiscus and mandar. Mandar pool. For God we will keep, no? I hope you are having idea. Take the red color hibiscus. How many? 4 to 5 flowers of 4 to 5 flowers of hibiscus. Just you grind them. You take a small mixer and grind it into paste. Now apply this paste to the knife. I don't know, here you carry the knife. So apply this hibiscus solution to this knife and try to cut the lemon. What is present in this lemon? Citric acid is present. This citric acid reacts with this hibiscus. What is hibiscus here? Already I told you. Hibiscus is a natural indicator. Natural indicator. So now this citric acid reacts with this natural indicator hibiscus solution, and what you can see means it shows red color. It shows red color. So this is the magic behind the magicians or the who are doing these things, and they will frighten us that something is happening for us or we are going to face some problems. So if it is with a hibiscus solution, thick solution you have to take. You don't dilute it. If you dilute it more, you can't get the correct result of this one. Again, when you are taking lemon, knife and hibiscus. How many hibiscus solution, how many hibiscus flowers we have to take? 4 to 5 flowers. What we have to do? We have to grind this one and make it into paste. Apply this paste to this knife. Then, what is present in lemon? Citric acid. What is present in hibiscus? It is a natural indicator. When these two react, we will get the red color solution. Then this is with natural indicator. Now let us see this one with the chemical indicator. Now the same things. We are taking lemon, knife. Okay? With this two, we are going to take a methyl orange. You know that methyl orange is a chemical indicator. Did you remember? Already I told for you. Methyl orange, when it reacts with the acids, it gives a red color, and when it reacts with bases, it gives a yellow color. Okay, now you can see that this lemon contains citric acid iode. So, what I am doing here? This methyl orange solution I am going to apply to this knife, and with this knife I will cut this lemon. Now, this citric acid reacted with this methyl orange, and what it will do? It gives us a red color. Red color will be liberated from that one. So you can see here why I asked you to take hibiscus solution means we can't get the methyl orange. If you go to to buy this acid shop also, they will not give for us. So we can't get methyl orange. So what I am asking you to do means please take the hibiscus. So natural indicator also you will get red color, and with methyl orange when reacted with lemon, it gives us citric acid, and these two, what it will be released? Red color solution will be coming out from this one. Please try this and keep the pics for me. I'll see whether you succeeded or not. Next one. We always store the food materials or the food substances. We always store the food substances in different containers. That is, one in glass, the other one in plastic, the other one in porcelains, the other one in metal containers. When we are ready to store the food materials, we are ready to store in glass, plastic, porcelains and metal containers. Means the food substances are acidic in nature. So, I am storing in this glass, plastic, porcelain and metal containers. In which condition, in which containers we can say that the food substances are safe means in glass, in plastic, in porcelains, but it is not good in metal containers. Okay, what will happen means this metal containers react with this acid, and what will happen means the food substances will be spoiled. For example, if I am taking copper, if you are ready to store the food substances in the copper, after few days you can see that the copper will get corroded and it changes to bluish green. Bluish green. Bluish green in color. So, what is this? This will affect the food substances. So, if I want to store something in copper containers, we have to coat this copper with the tin. We have to coat the copper container with the tin, and in this we have to store the food substances. But 99% the glass, plastic, porcelain containers are the best to store the food substances. Plastic and metal containers are not at all allowed. Okay, next topic. Acid rains. We all know about the acid rains. Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid Okay, acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. What will happen if we are affected with acid rains? What will happen means there will be, what is that? We will have skin diseases. Then there will be cracks in buildings. And the color of the monuments, will be changed. See here, acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and because of these acids which are present in this rain, what will be affected means when we are moving in this rains, we will get skin diseases, cracks, and a beetle building. Okay, and that one, and monuments, they will change their color. These are the things we can find through acid rain. Then where we can, how we can identify where we will get this acid rains? These acid rains, we will see where more industries are there. Where more industries are there, there you can find this acid rain. Industries releases carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. What will be released from the industries? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. What will happen to these three gases? They will mix with the moisture present in the air. They will mix with the moisture present in the air and causes acid rains. So what are the three gases which are used for acid rains? We can see in air causes acid rains. So carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide, when they mix with the moisture present in the air, causes acid rain. Where we can see, at which places we can see these acid rains? We can see these acid rains at Visakhapatnam, in Andhra Pradesh state. So did you understand about acid rains? Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, very important answer, 4 marks answer, remember this one. Okay, it is a combination of carbonic acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and what are the effects of these acid rains? From where we will get these acid rains? Where there are more industries, there we can find these acid rains. And what they are releasing? This carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. Where they are mixing these gases with we already know that air is a mixture of number of gases. So these gases, these polluted gases are mixed with this air and it causes rain. Where we can see that? At Visakhapatnam. Next topic. One more topic. Last. Now, test for carbon dioxide gas. So for this what we have to do? Take 2 test tubes. Okay. Now, 1 test tube is filled with lemon juice. The other one is with lime water. I already told for you there is lot of difference between lemon juice and lime water. This is an acid and this is a base. Okay, now connect a U-shaped tube to both the test tubes and cover with a cork. Now add eggshells to this lemon juice. Add eggshells to this lemon juice. Calcium carbonate is present in this one. So add this eggshells to this lemon juice. Instead of eggshell, you can also use marble pieces. In this too, anything you can use. Marble pieces or eggshell. Now this eggshell reacts with this lemon juice and it releases a gas, and that gas through this U-shaped tube, it enters to this lime water. It enters to this lime water. The lime water immediately changes to milky white. If the lime water changes to milky white, what we can say that it releases carbon dioxide gas. It releases carbon dioxide gas. So once again see here, take 2 test tubes. 1 test tube is with lemon juice. The second test tube is with lime water. Then we are taking a U-shaped tube. Now the lemon juice is reacted with an eggshell or marble pieces. We can see when the eggshell reacts with this lemon juice. We know that citric acid is present in this and calcium carbonate is present in this. When these two reacts with each other, we can see a gas will be released from this. This gas from this U-tube, when it is entered into this lime water, the lime water changes to milky white, showing that it releases the carbon dioxide gas. This is also very important answer for 8 marks. I hope you understood. Okay? That's all. Thank you.